Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. Yeah, finally, it's here. The brand new 2021 Model Y. I've been waiting on it and here it is. So I haven't really drove it because I've been waiting on my accessories to come in and they're here. I get all my accessories from evanx.com. You see the website on the screen right there. And promo code, yeah, use that. Any order over $100 will get you $10 off. How cool is that? Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. Let me move out the Model 3, put the Model Y in the middle, and it's time to accessorize. All right, guys. Wow, okay, as you can see, I have a plethora of goodies here from Evanx, and this right here is the glove box organizer for the 3 or the Y, and I have the glove box bumper for the S, 3, X, and Y. Let's go ahead and pop these in. Like I said, as you can see here, there's a bunch of goodies. We'll put them all in one by one. Love getting stuff from Evanx. Love it, love it. Okay, just a couple of simple pieces here. You're gonna take this one, as you see right here, and that's gonna slide in from the bottom. All right, then you're gonna take this piece here, put it in. It's gonna slide in like that. Okay, you're almost done. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and take this piece and put it in here. So when you're all done and it's all assembled, it should look like this. Then all we're gonna do is just put this right in the glove box. And it fits perfect, even with your thumb drive there for sentry mode. Okay, that there. Glass is there, but I'll bring the camera in so you can see it a little better. Okay, so there you go. You could see the glasses up top. I have my pamphlet that came with the car down at the bottom. And as you see the upper left, it still has room, like I said, for the thumb drive there. Now you can go ahead and put Kleenex, other stuff, hand sanitizer, your masks, whatever, and you see how it's nice and divided, everything separated? I love organization. All right, let's check out that glove box bumper just so you guys can see. Okay, next up is the bumper glove box. Now this is for every model of Tesla. And at the bottom side of this, there is some 3M sticky tape. And what you'll go ahead and do is just peel it off and position it where you want it, about right there. You wanna make sure you could still close the glove box, that's key. But as you can see, it'll go there and it'll just keep the paperwork and whatever you have here from sliding out. I do know I have that problem in my Model 3 and I'm pretty sure I'll have it here in the Model Y. It's just a simple, quick installation like that and you're good to go. Okay, next up I have these door control decals for the Model 3 or the Model Y. Now fortunately, the 2021 Model Y I have here, it's already on there and it's indicated as such, coming straight from Tesla. Now, depending on the year of your vehicle, you may not have this. So Evanx offers this great option to go ahead and put these on because, you know, it's not always clear on how to exit the vehicle. It's a non-traditional way in these cars. But I will put these in my Model 3 because I just have the little line and it's not clear for some people. So I'll go ahead and install these. Okay, next up we have the cup holder inserts. Let's go ahead and pop these in. Okay, so here are the cup holder inserts. So you can see we're just gonna go ahead and pop these in, simple. And what I like about these is sometimes I'll have a plastic water bottle, like I'll just get one from the store, and instead of it rocking and rolling around inside the traditional cup holders that the car comes with, this provides these little tabs here to help it more snug so it doesn't fall over as you're driving. Also on top of that, if you get any crumbs, dirt, grime, whatever, you just take this out, clean it out, wash it off, dry it off, pop it right back in. Okay, so just come in the car, place them in there like so, and you're rocking and rolling. How cool is that? Okay, next up is a tempered glass screen protector. We're gonna go ahead and put this on, and this one is probably my favorite accessory. I do get concerned with fingerprints, stuff like that, and who knows, I just wanna protect that big, beautiful 15-inch screen. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Okay, let's go ahead and install this. The first thing we're gonna do is put it in screen cleaning mode. And then, yeah, we're bringing up the settings here. Go to display, screen clean. And now you're in screen cleaning mode. And I'm gonna get this nice and clean. So inside EvanX includes some stuff for you here. They give you a cloth in case you don't have anything to clean the screen with. They give you some tape here so you can go ahead and pull off any dust particles or something you still may see on the screen. And these guide stickers we're going to go ahead and use to help us put on the glass. And then you have an alcohol prep pad to really get it clean. Okay, so I went ahead and put on the guide stickers, and what I'm going to do is just do like a test fit of exactly where I want it. Okay, something like that looks good. And what I'll go ahead and do is just press down on the guide tape. So now that that's there, we can't mess up. All I got to do is peel off the back and press it on. So I'm just going to peel off the back under here. Okay, so I went ahead, peeled off the back, pressed it on there, and all the air bubbles just kind of went away. And now I'm just kind of double checking here. You see I still have the tape, and yeah, that's good. I'll bring the camera in closer so you guys can see, but this is a phenomenal fit. You can't even tell it's there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape now. Okay, so you see that? I'm zooming in really close, and you could see along the edge, you could barely see the tempered glass. So now it's not even noticeable and you're fully protected. How cool is that? Now you don't need to worry. But yeah, I just wanted to zoom in really close so you guys could see on the edge there. That is installed, and yeah, good to go. All right, what else we got? Okay, next up are the performance pedal covers for the 3 and the Y. Yeah, here's the brake one right here, and here's the one for the accelerator. Pretty cool, right? So the only thing we're gonna do here is take off this rubber one here for the brake, and we're just gonna pull it up. Pretty simple to do, and that comes right off. Then we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. And I'm gonna start from the bottom and then kind of work my way up. Also pulling back on the sides. Okay, working it from the bottom there. Pulling that tab out, getting it on there. And we're good to go. Let's go ahead and put on the accelerator. So yeah, I'm just gonna start probably here. Then pull the tab on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna pull it on the side and work my way all the way up like that. Okay, just grabbing a little screwdriver here. There's one little corner of the rubber tab. There, got it. Okay, now it's 100% secure. And how great does that look? Okay, next up, under seat air vent covers. Let's go ahead and put these on. Okay, so right now we are looking under the passenger seat, and as you can see, that's the vent right there for the HVAC system. Now, as you see, there's nothing protecting it, you know, so if you drop a pack of ketchup, gummy bears, Cheez-Its, golden fish crackers, whatever, change, it's gonna go right in there, and you know, that's not gonna be good for anybody. So luckily, our good friends over there at EvanX got you covered. Okay, so these are just gonna go on right here. You see the red around the vent cover? That is double-sided tape. So we're just gonna peel that off and stick it on right there. Now, how much better is that, right? Okay, let me go ahead and stick that on. Okay, so the 3M tape is peeled off, and I'm just gonna flip it over. And place it right on there. Pressing down. And that's it, you're good to go. Now I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and now you're totally protected. All right, as a free gift, as you see there, EvanX was nice enough to include some of these Sentry mode window clings. Now, as you could see on the sticker right there, it says, warning, Sentry mode activated. Now, there's no adhesive or anything like that. It just sticks to the glass, so you don't have to worry. And this is a nice way of letting would-be criminals know that 360 degrees of your vehicle is protected by cameras, and they're probably being recorded. So kind of cool, right? Right. All right, you guys, next up are jack pads. For those of you that don't know, you can't just jack up a Tesla no matter what model you have. There are 4 strategically placed holes on the car, and you have to stick one of these in there, and then your jack goes under that. That way you don't damage the battery pack. So luckily M&X sells these in a 4-pack, and I'll go ahead and put 2 of them on just so you guys can see where these go. Okay, so if you just feel under, you'll feel a hole, and then that's where this little nub, if you will, inserts, and you just kind of go ahead and place it in there. And do the same thing on the front one. Okay, there it is. That's 2 on this side. I would definitely say get these, keep them in your car, in the frunk or the trunk, in case you get a flat. Let's say you are rotating your tires at home, then you have these with you. Now, any reputable shop should already have these. If not, you have yours and you don't have to worry. I would say these are pretty important. Get a set of these, keep them in your car, and you're good to go. Okay, next up, guys, are the Model Y mud flaps. There's no better way to protect your vehicle from rocks, debris, stuff like that kicking up. For those of you on the East Coast, Midwest that may have salt and a little more grime on the roads than most of us over here on the West Coast, you may want to look into these as well. Okay, so all the necessary hardware, of course, is included because M&X, they think of everything. And yeah, as you see where it says right front, and this one says right rear, right in there. Everything is clearly labeled, so there's no way you can mess up or do anything wrong. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The only thing you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Simple. Okay, here we are on the driver's side front, and you'll see there's 2 clips right here. One here, one there. Simple enough. And yeah, you just take your small screwdriver, kind of put it in here, and go ahead and back that out. Simple. Do the same thing on the other one. Okay, and got that one. And the way the front one goes on, there's a little tab right here, and that's gonna go on the inside of there. So you wanna line up that tab, okay? And then put this even with the 2 holes. And then M&X has included some longer ones, which should help you out, or you could use the original ones. And these tabs, we'll just go ahead and pop them in. Okay. Put that in. Boom. Boom. Now it's on, it's secure, and you're good to go, and you're protecting your car. Let's check out the one in the back. Okay, here we are on the driver's side rear, and same thing, just like the front, you have your 2 tabs, 1, 2, and it's gonna hook in here. Now also, under here, there is a 10mm bolt. So get yourself that 10mm socket, like I said you need. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna go up under there with this and take it out. All right, you guys, that's it. Installation complete. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side, front and rear, and that's it. Now you're totally protecting your car, and it looks great, and we're rocking and rolling. All right, let me do the other side. All right, you guys, so that's it. You know what? I'm gonna do a giveaway. If you have a 5-seater Model Y, go ahead and send me a tweet. There's my Twitter name, and just say, I want that. And I'm gonna go ahead and send you a cargo net for your 5-seater Model Y. Just go ahead and send me a tweet, and that's it. Right? How cool is that? So anyways, we're all done. Oh yeah, this is my little Model S for my nieces and nephews. I actually have 2 of them. If you guys want to see an unboxing video of that, I'll leave a link in the description. Don't forget, any order over $100 to get $10 off, just use the promo code, which is my name. So yeah, I'm just gonna spend about 30 seconds or so walking around the car so you guys can see the new Model Y right here, and that's it. All right, guys.